Okay, so how do you think clouds make rain? How do clouds make rain?
I know.
How do you?
Thunder clouds. And
how do they make rain? Yeah.
Like this drops and thunder on it.
Okay.
And we put some drops on it.
We're going to use this shaving cream to represent our cloud. A cloud is made from condensation, which we're going to talk about later. The cloud is water droplets, and it's made from condensation, like I said. There's a change of water vapor into water droplets. So we'll talk about that in more detail. You ready?
Yeah.
Here's our cloud. Okay. I think that's good enough. I hope so. Last time we tried this, I don't think we did it right because we had too much shaving cream. We got a little happy with the shaving cream. So let's see if this time it's going to work. Put the rain on top. That's going to represent the rain. This here, the water represents the air. So this, the water in the jar represents the air. So let's see what happens when the rain is placed on top of the cloud. What do you think is going to happen?
It's gonna rain. See that drop right there?
Yeah. So do you think the rain is going to, the blue dye? Careful.
Oh.
Be careful.
Blue?
It's the weight of the rain placed on the clouds.
Wait, what?
Okay. Hold on. You already got blue dye on your fingers and your hands. Look at this. Woo. And we got pictures tomorrow. Oh no. Oh. So let's wait for it. Oh my goodness, let's wait and pray. Okay.
God, Jesus says, help him make some pepperoni cheese for the cloud.
Oh, we have pepperoni cheese. We have it later, okay, for lunchtime. It's not quite lunchtime yet. Okay, you silly girl. Here. You're going crazy. Go crazy. We're about to use all our blue dye. At least we have... Don't do that. Okay.
Look!
Uh-oh. It finally, I don't know if you can see it. Let's move it closer. But it finally started
to
drop through. It's the weight of the rain on the clouds that finally goes through and starts to rain. See that? That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It then turned to a water horse.
So that's what happens when the rain gets so heavy on the clouds. It falls to the clouds, and that's how clouds make rain, right there. And we're going to now, that's beautiful. Now we're going to watch some videos, me and Emily, to educate ourselves on more about how clouds make rain.
Look at
the evaporation and condensation, those words, those big fancy words. Say evaporation. Say it, evaporation. And condensation. Say condensation.
Condensation, we need some stores and pepperoni cheese on a cloud.
She is silly.
Cloud.
She's silly, but this is how clouds make rain. This is a good demonstration. Okay? So it's really fun to do, especially if you have patience. And you know how we were just going to keep on adding the droplets. We just don't have patience. But hey, it turned out beautiful.